Welcome back to Eating the African. My name is Lucas. So today we're on the street. This street is called Kalere. It's a hard word to pronounce in Uganda. We're on the street and we're going to look at their street meat. It's called, what's the Salawano. Yeah, it's called Salawano. So someone is going to come and explain what they mean by the name Salawano. So let us get in the video and see what is going to happen. These guys get those offals, offals or animal intestines, if that is the right word, or the tripe. Other countries call it tripe. So they roast it, and if you come to this place and you tell them I want this part, so they will cut only that part you want. That's why they mean by Salawano. Salawano means they only cut that part you want from that whole part, or maybe it's a whole heart and you would want to taste it and see how it tastes. Then they will just cut something small from the whole heart and they give you that. So that is the meaning of Salawano. So this is the guy I met on the way, and he has allowed me to film him doing this business on the street. So Sebo, you're welcome. Tukwaniriza. Yegwani. Biniganta. Biniganta too. Are you an artist? Ori artist. Ori muyimbi. Ori mukozi wa sente. Enyama etali ku buti ebeera ennyama y'embuzi. So osala w'osonga be basala. Ekyo kye bategeeza nti sala wano. Ng'ogiseera. Kale Sebo. Toyanza nnyo Sebo. Laba tubuza tutera denyoge mamo otufukamira tusaba tusinza katongo eyobola ngoze tulina mabere ganina mamo I think these are called lungs. So each costs 1,000 Uganda shillings. This is the heart. So this is the heart got from a goat. So we have so many. I should call them offals, or those of insides, the intestines which are got from the animals. I know they are not called the intestines, but. I really don't know how I can call this, but they are piled together a number of offals, so to make it one. So you know Jamaica. So this would cost 5k. That is 5,000 Ugandan shillings, as you can see. So these offals can be got from cows, can be got from goats. Yeah, those are the two main animals. I don't know about sheep, but I think the major two animals are cow and goats. Yeah. So today we decided to make Salawano video on the streets of Kampala, Uganda. This is the part of Africa, by the way. So we are going to test them and see. Maybe when you get a chance to visit Uganda, you can walk along the streets and meet these guys and see what actually happens on the streets of Kampala. So I couldn't move to other places due to restrictions. These people don't want to be seen in the cameras, mostly the border guys, you know, they park anywhere. So I couldn't move and show you the whole place. That's why we are just here at this single place, and this, should I call it a single place or one place? Any of those. So we could not move. Maybe the camera will be taken and I will be taken to police. So I need to be so careful so that I don't film other people. this video is going to be too short because I paid some guys to turn off their sounds because there are so many activities which are taking place here. So most of them require them to turn on their sounds so that customers can hear what they are selling. So I'm trying to make everything so quickly so that I don't exceed the time I paid for. So, but thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. If you have been with us, thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. Please share us out, let other people join the family. Yeah, let us reach 10K this year. Subscribers. So let me test, and because we call it a day. We'll take a cafe. Yeah, so what you're seeing is that is my share. That is my share. Someone is hiding behind. She doesn't want to be seen in the camera. That's why she's one of the customers, not my person. She's a customer. She phoned me here. My time is up. More sounds are going to come in. That's why I have to end this here and also avoid the authorities not to be arrested. Everyone has been yelling at me, why are you filming us, why are you filming us? So all the time I was explaining to them. So whenever people see the camera around, they think you're filming them. But the camera was pointing at me all the time. But for them, they are thinking it's a trick, I'm recording them. So I'm trying to wind up. Let me stop here. I know you have seen. I wanted to share with you some of the sweet foods we have. I wanted to share with you some of the street foods we have in Uganda, Kampala. I know some of you cannot eat this, or you have never seen this, but this is the reason why this channel is existing, to bring this close to your eyes. But thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.